Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Happy Sunday to you guys. Mr. Maxwell is here. Today is Sunday. Thank you. Thank you. Today is Sunday and happy Sunday to you. Mr. Maxwell here, Jamaica home style cooking. I know today we're going to do Sunday dinner. But today Sunday dinner we're going to cook some rice and peas. I have my peas here in the pot soaking. And we're going to do some rice and peas and brown stew, fish and some vegetables, some raw vegetables, some cabbage, carrot, lettuce, tomato, cucumber. Yeah. And here my fish, slice up, season up, clean up and everything. Some nice size snapper, slice up. Yes, I'm going to do some rice and peas and brown stew fish today. Yeah. So we're going to set on pots and our fire. So when we see a return, we see our pot is on the fire cooking. Okay guys. Okay guys, I can see my peas is boiling. Yeah, my peas is on the fire boiling. So guys, when we return again, we are going to show you how to put in the coconut milk and show you how we are fry with fish and cook down our fish and make our vegetables. So here we soon return again. Okay guys. Okay guys, my peas are boiled. I'm going to season it. I'm going to put in coconut milk. I'm going to put in scallion and thyme. Some salt. I'm going to try my coconut milk. Put in my scallion, my thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to get some salt. That's nice salt, stir them up. Put in a piece of butter. Yes, guys. So that is so. Let's see again. Return. We're frying our fish. So guys, when I see we return, we're frying our fish, washing our rice to go in our pot, guys. Guys, as you can see, my pot is on the fire for my fish. Yes, that my pot is hot on the fire for my fish. So guys, I'm gonna start to brown my fish. Yes, guys, I'm gonna start brown my fish. You see guys, I'm frying my fish. Coconut milk is in my pot with my scallion and thyme and and scotch bonnet pepper, salt, and some butter. You wanna see? Guys, my coconut. So guys, I'm gonna put in the rice. I'm gonna put in our rice. Rice. Got my rice in my pot, guys. We're gonna see you return again, guys. We're gonna see you return again. Our fish is cooking down, our vegetable is making, guys. So soon return. Alright, guys, we are back. As you can see, my fish. My fish is browning. As you can see, my fish is browning. I'm gonna cook it down now. Fish. So I'm gonna cook them down now. See my season, my thyme, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, some bell pepper, tomato, some garlic. Put two on them now, guys. See my fish. I'm gonna cook down my fish. Guys, my rice and peas, guys, you can see my rice and peas is coming on, guys. You can see my rice and peas. I'm gonna put a little salt. Black pepper. We have a little Mr. Dash. little seasoned salt. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. You know what fish guys? Fish guys. You can see guys. Fish. Fish guys. Add a little ketchup. Yes guys, you can see our fish is cooking down guys, as you can see. Fish guys. As you can see, our fish come a little clearer guys. You can see our fish is cooking down guys, our rice and peas and our fish guys. So let's return, we're doing our vegetable guys. Yes guys. So you can see our fish is cooking down. And here is our rice and peas guys. So as we return guys, we're making our vegetable. So okay guys, my fish is ready guys. As I can see, my fish is ready guys, see? My brown stew fish is ready guys, you see? That is my brown stew fish. And over here my rice and peas also ready to guys. Yes guys, so my rice and peas and brown stew fish. So guys, we're gonna do our veggie now guys. So when we return, we're doing our veggie. Okay guys, we're gonna do our vegetable now guys. As you can see, we have a piece of cabbage, we have a lettuce, we have a carrot, we have a cucumber, we have the bell pepper, we have some tomato. So guys, watch and see. Yes guys, so my vegetable, my cabbage has washed and cleaned up. We're gonna shred guys. This is the way we're gonna shred our vegetable guys. So guys, once we return, this we put the vegetable together and dinner share. Once we return guys, we put vegetable to dinner together and our dinner sharing. Okay guys, back and here me have my vegetable ready guys. Yes guys, here are my vegetable guys. This is my vegetable, my carrot, my cabbage, my tomato, my bell pepper, my cucumber and lettuce guys. All my salad guys. So here you have it. This is so when we return, we're sharing our dinner. Yes guys, return and here we have our dinner guys. Look at our dinner, our rice and peas and fish, brown stew fish and some raw vegetable. some raw salad, some cabbage and carrot, cucumber, lettuce, bell pepper. Yes guys, here you have it guys. Here is our dinner guys. Yes guys, here is our dinner. Rice and peas and brown stew fish with some raw salad guys. Yes, so keep on liking and sharing. Comment and tell me what you think about this dinner, this Sunday evening dinner. Yes guys, yeah. So keep on share my video, like and comment and tell me what you think about this Sunday evening dinner. Rice and peas and brown stew fish with some tossed salad. Yes guys, you can see guys.